Big Mac. The Big Mac is one of the most recognizable burgers from McDonald's, built around a three-part bun structure that sets it apart from most other sandwiches. Inside, it combines two beef patties with lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions, and a signature sauce that gives it a distinct taste profile. It was introduced to create a more filling option compared to standard burgers, and it quickly became a global staple due to its consistent formula across different countries. Quarter Pounder with cheese. The Quarter Pounder with cheese is centered around a single beef patty that is heavier than the standard McDonald's burger patty, giving it a more substantial bite. It is topped with cheese, onions, pickles, ketchup, and mustard, keeping the structure simple but focused on beef flavor. This burger was designed for customers who wanted a fresher, cooked-to-order-style feel with a stronger emphasis on meat. Double Quarter Pounder with cheese. The Double Quarter Pounder with cheese builds directly on the original by adding a second quarter-pound beef patty, creating a much denser and more filling burger. It keeps the same toppings and structure, but the extra meat changes both the texture and the overall
large
richness.
fried,
This version
double
is
quarter
often chosen by
pounder
people
with
looking for a
cheese
heavier meal
and
without
bacon
adding extra
and large
ingredients
black
or
coffee.
complexity. Cheeseburger. The cheeseburger is one of the simplest items on the McDonald's menu, featuring a small beef patty paired with a slice of melted cheese. It includes pickles, ketchup, mustard, and onions, which balance out the mild beef flavor. Its simplicity is what makes it a long-standing option, offering a quick and light burger experience. Double Cheeseburger. The Double Cheeseburger increases the portion by adding a second beef patty while keeping the same basic structure and toppings. This creates a stronger meat presence while still staying relatively simple and affordable. It became popular as a middle ground between the basic cheeseburger and the larger premium burgers. McDouble. The McDouble is closely related to the double cheeseburger, but it typically includes only one slice of cheese instead of two. This small difference changes the balance between meat and dairy while keeping the overall structure familiar. It is known for offering a more budget-friendly option with a slightly stronger beef focus. Hamburger. The hamburger is the most basic beef sandwich in the McDonald's lineup, consisting of a single patty without cheese. It is paired with pickles, onions, ketchup, and mustard, keeping everything simple and minimal. This version highlights the core taste of the beef patty without any additional richness from cheese. McRib. The McRib is a seasonal-style sandwich built
Some
around a
people wait
boneless
all
pork
year
patty
for this,
shaped like a
the
small
return
rack
of the
ribs.
McRib at
It
McDonald's.
is typically covered
But
in
some
barbecue
customers
sauce
say this
and
sandwich
topped
is
with
a
pickles
lie,
and onions
not
on a
containing
soft
actual
bun.
pork rib
Its
meat,
limited
according to a
availability
class action
and unique
lawsuit
shape
filed
have
in
made it
federal
stand out
court in
from the
Illinois,
regular burger
higher than
lineup,
other cuts.
giving it a reputation
The lawsuit
as one
says
of
the
the most
McRib
recognizable
contained lower with
rotating
respect to
items
the
on the
McRib.
menu.